Welcome to this lesson on understanding applied steps in Power Query. If you want to practice and follow the lesson, download sample data for free if you have not done so. Link in description. Applied steps are the backbone of every transformation you perform in Power Query. They show the exact sequence of actions that Power Query uses to clean and shape your data. By the end of this lesson you will understand how each step works, how Power Query processes them, and how to fix issues when a step breaks. Let us start with the structure of applied steps. Power Query records every transformation as a step in a list. The steps are executed from top to bottom. Source connects to your file. Navigation selects the sheet or table. Promoted headers converts the first row into column names. Changed type assigns data types. Every step is stored as M code behind the scenes. Understanding this structure helps you troubleshoot errors and maintain clean workflows. Now let us walk through the interface. When you click on a step, the preview updates to show the dataset at that exact moment. This is extremely useful for debugging. If a step breaks, you can delete it, reorder it, or modify it. For example, if changed type happens too early, it may cause errors when merging tables. You can simply drag the step lower or adjust the transformation logic. Here is a real business scenario. Imagine you are cleaning sales transactions for monthly reporting. You filter rows to remove zero quantity. You merge with the product table. You add a custom column for total sales. You group rows to summarize by region. Each of these actions becomes an applied step. When your manager asks how the report is built, you can show the steps as a transparent audit trail. Let us recap. Applied steps show every transformation in a clear and structured way. They help you understand how Power Query processes your data. They help you troubleshoot errors. They help you maintain consistent workflows. This is one of the most important concepts in Power Query. Remember to subscribe so you catch the next lesson immediately when it is ready.